At Gurma, we have now implemented the teaching cards a year ago and now again to make sure that everybody is going to use it. How is this now related to the Ethiopian occupational standard, to the Ethiopian policy?
Yeah, you know, according to the Ethiopian educational policy nowadays,
Yes.
this is student-centered training.
Yeah.
We especially, our college is established for the sake of producing the self-reliant and self-employed middleman agricultural technician.
Okay.
It's talking and the talk and the talk we have started already now.
Yes.
So it is a student-centered training program.
Yes.
This teaching card has a direct link because we put every instruction on teaching cards. The student takes these instruction cards, they go and explore, and they can develop themselves, even they can learn by themselves. So this is really, it has strong link with our educational program nowadays.
So it is, according to the policy, it has helped the teachers and it has helped the students to be more practical in their absorbance of teaching.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.